The first thing we'll do is to set our unit, and we have two options for doing that. You can either come down here on our command line, or you can just type in right where you are by making sure this guy is turned on, our dim mode. If you don't have that, make sure you take it. There it is, dynamic input. It is turned off now. Click again, make sure it highlight blue. It is on. You can just type in unit in your keyboard and press enter, and there we have our drawing unit dialog box. For this video I'll be using millimeters, but if you prefer inches, your length type, choose architectural, your precision, I want 0 feet 0 inches, and then your unit, leave it as inches and then press OK. But I'll be using millimeters, so I will just choose decimal. I want a 0 precision and I want millimeters. Don't worry, I will guide you with the exact unit in feet and inches so we can go together. Now click on OK to end that, to save that. Remain our windows, and windows are the easiest. I'll come this way. I want to draw the windows maybe somewhere right here, definitely not inside the building. So I'll just select the rectangle, I'll click once, I'll come this way, or this way if you want. I'll come this way and type in to speed things up and make sure we have only two sets of windows in this building so we can finish the video quickly. So the windows for our bedrooms will be 1000 millimeters, which is 3 feet 4 inches, and then press tab and type in our block size. It is 230, which is 9 inches if you're using imperial, and then press enter. Now let's design our window. For our bedrooms and kitchen, I want it to be casement window. So click on this rectangle again, click once, and I want the frame to be 50 millimeters, same as the door. 50 millimeters, 2 inches. Press tab on the keyboard. 100 millimeters, which is 4 inches. Press enter. Select the rectangle, which is our frame. Click on this midpoint and snap it to that midpoint. So now I want to copy this to this side. Since it's a casement, the windows open two sides. So I'll select it, copy it, click on this midpoint, sorry, and paste it like that. Press escape to end that command, and now the frame for the panel of the window, I will click once, come this way, it will be a square, it will be 50 feet. Tap on your keyboard, 50 again, which is 2 inches, and then press enter. Select it and then move it to this endpoint, midpoint. Now this is again the real time, and I can see I made a terrible mistake, which is not drawing on the right layer. So come to layer property, let's create our window layer by clicking on the star of new layer and type in windows, and then click away. If you want, we can just create all the layers, but I just want us to be common and going that way will master layer much better. So we create our window layer. I will double click on this parallelogram to make it current, our current layer. We'll just close it and make it our current layer, and I will select this, as you can see there on drawing layer. So click on this drop down and take them to the window layer. Press escape to deselect. To make sure they're on the window layer, you can just click on the drop down, click on this bulb, which is turn a layer on or off. Turn that off, keep the layer on. You can turn off a current layer in Autocad, so go back to layer 0. You can try and turn it off and they go away. Turn it back on, they come back. Now we ensure our window is on the right layer, so go back to the window layer, and continue making our window. So come this way, select line, come this way, click once, press escape to end that, select our line again, click once, come this way, click again, press escape to end it. I want to divide this line, so click our line, snap to that midpoint, click once, come down, click again, press escape on your keyboard and select this frame of the panel, click on copy. I want to copy it there and then press escape. Now this is one side of a window. Now the other side, I will again select this, right click, copy, click on that endpoint, snap it to that endpoint and just click, press escape to end that command. And now we have this side of our window and this side, which makes a perfect casement window. I will select the line, come this way and click. This line will be something like our glass to add some aesthetic to our window. So select line again and do the same for the other side and then press escape to end that. Now we have to make this window a block. Simple as that. Is insert, create window, create block, and I will name it window 1000 millimeters, which is 3 feet 4 inches. If you're using imperial, I will pick a base point this time, not this side. I want it to be this side because windows are mostly on the external wall and either horizontal or vertical in most cases. Now select our objects. I will click on this and I'm sure one hardworking man will go around clicking them one by one, which is a waste of time. And I just click, select everything, press enter, leave everything like that and untick this. We want to go advanced on the windows and then click OK. And now you can just click on your window and we'll begin placing them. But to make things easier, let's just create the other window. It won't be as hard as this. It's just a window for our toilets and toilets. I made a mistake. I will just erase that because I didn't give a side. I will just click once, come this way. I want the length of the window to be 600 millimeters, which is 2 feet, and then the width should be the size of our block, which is 230 millimeters or 9 inches, and then press enter. I will zoom and make a frame. Click once, come this way. I want it to be 50. Press tab. And for this side, I want it to be 100, which is 4 inches, and then press enter. I want to move this to the end. Click once, click, come this way, not the intersection, zoom, the mid, that triangle. Click once, select it again, right click, copy it, snap to the midpoint, take it all the way to the other midpoint, press escape to end that command. Make same square frame for our window panel, which is 50. Tap on your keyboard another 50, which is 2 inches. Tap 2 inches. Press enter. Right click. I want to move this to the midpoint, not the intersection, mid. Click once. Select this again. Right click. Copy and copy it to the other side and click. Press escape. Select my line. I want to join this quickly. Press escape, right click if I want, select the line, or you can go up there and click on the line if you are one hardworking person. Click to close that, press escape and quickly make this a frame. But before that, we can add a line to represent our glass to just add some beauty to the window. Much better. Now Let's just make it a block since we can go around copying this when they are standing on their own individually. So insert, create block, and I will name this window 600 millimeters, which is 2 feet if you're using imperial. Pick a base point. I want this midpoint. Select objects. This if I want, I can just window select them and then press enter and convert to block. Leave everything looking beautiful that way. With this on stick, untick it, click on OK, and now they are both blocks. So now can select this, right click, copy, pick this as our base point for copying. Come this way and place one for the master. Click, perfect. One for the dining. Click. One for the kitchen. Click. One for the girls. I should have started with the girls. I don't know why I forgot that. Panning. Again, if you are not using Excel mouse, I am sure maybe by now we are on the offsetting or trimming. Now I want two windows right here, so I won't click right there. I'm just going to hover over it just to track. So I'm tracking, and I'll come this way and place it just wherever I want. I'll click once, come to the midpoint again, just track, don't click, then come this way and place it. And now we are done with our horizontal windows. So I will press escape to end that command and place the window there, a window there, a window, and we are done. So select the window. As you can tell, this is part of a larger video, Mastering Autocad 3-bedroom design for client, where we go in depth from start to finish. You can find the full video link at the top of your screen and in the link in the description below. Make sure to subscribe for more in-depth tutorials like this. Now let's carry on. Just to save time, select this as well. Right click, copy, pick a base point anywhere and copy them up. Press escape. We have to rotate them to be vertical. So select them, right click, rotate. We can rotate them. Click, pick any base point and rotate them this way, 90 degrees. Just click. Select this window, right click, click on copy, pick a base point. The midpoint will be perfect. I pick that, I come this way, it will try to snap. You already know this. And I'll just put it right there. And now one for the living room. It will try to snap to this endpoint, so just hover over there, don't click, just track and come this way. And I want to place it. I'm going to track again. Now I will place it right there. I won't place any window here because we are going to be putting our TV right here, so it won't be convenient to have a window there. And this window will be a source of lighting to this lobby and probably to this lobby. So place a window right there. And now for the boys, no, I'm going to go up and start with the gates. I'll place one right there, and now the last one, which is one for the boys. Place one right there, and then we are done. Wow, this looks like a logo, like I've seen this one. We'll select this window for our toilet. As you can see the proportion, this goes with this goes with this. So I will select this one, right click, click on copy, select this midpoint and place one window right there. It will try to snap elsewhere, so track the outer wall, not the center one. the outer one. So just drag and drag again and zoom out. I'll drag again, just wait, and then place it wherever I want, somewhere in the middle. So now another one for the ante-room toilet for our visitors. I'll zoom up and up, one there and the last one here, and I think we are done. So press escape, double click to zoom extend. We don't want these windows, we can just select them all and delete them. If you want them later, you can just come to the home tab on the ribbon. On this block panel, click on this insert, and there they are. You can just click them and drag them. So press escape to escape that.